morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so what are you gonna make today?
I'm gonna make volcano eruption.
Volcano eruption. All right. So what do you need? You tell me. What is it? Hey, no. What is it? It's a
So,
bottle.
no,
Yeah, it's a small bottle. Yeah.
a small bottle.
Okay. And what's this?
Flour.
It's baking soda.
Baking soda.
Okay. And this one, what is it? Hey, careful. Vinegar.
Vinegar.
You forgot this. What is it? It's a
It's a
food coloring. Yeah.
food coloring.
Food coloring. And what is it? What water is it?
Soap water.
Okay, soap water. So first, what do you do?
This.
Okay, what is it? Baking.
Baking soda.
Okay, come on. Put some baking soda. A lot, yeah?
Yeah.
Finish. Okay. Next,
Next.
food coloring. Just a little. Just a little. One drop is enough. Actually, you have some over there. One drop. Stop! Ah, that's too much. Okay, close it. Close it. Use your hands. Okay, finished. And then the soap, water. Okay, now you mix it. Mix. Telan me. Telan me. Okay, telan me. Yeah. Okay. Wait. The last is what do you call it?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Okay. A lot. Ready?
Yeah.
A lot. Ooh, enough. More vinegar maybe? More? Yeah. It's cloud eruption. Yeah? Cloud eruption. Okay. What?
Cloud eruption.
Okay. Where did you learn that, Brayden?
With Mama.
Okay. And before that, did you learn it from your school?
Yeah.
Okay. Who taught you that?
Ella.
Oh, who is Miss Ella?
My teacher.
Okay. Good job. Nice. Give me 5.
Volcano. Gunung meletus.
Gunung meletus. In English, how do you say that?
Volcano eruption.
Okay. Good job.